we know that different users of accounting have different requirements. Now, a business cannot actually go on by supplying this kind of respective information to respective users. So, what business does is that it prepares a set of financial statements, financial statements, and different users, these are different users, then gather their information, or what we call as respective information, from these financial statements. So now students, let us come to financial statements and the parts of financial statements. Broadly speaking, financial statements has two different parts. The first one being income statement. As the name suggests, it is a statement which is prepared to show the performance of a business during the financial year. That is, the objective of this is to present true and fair picture of the performance of the business. Performance of business during a financial year. That means it tells us about the profits and losses incurred by a business during a particular financial year. Then students, coming to the second part. Second part is referred to as position statement. Now students, what is the objective of preparing position statement? The objective of preparing position statement is to present true and fair picture of financial position of a business. That is, what is the value of the assets and liabilities of a business as on a particular date. So this picture of financial position is presented through position statement, whereas the picture about the performance of the business during the last year is presented through income statement. Now students, income statement includes two types of accounts. That is, it includes trading and profit and loss account, or in other words we can say that income statement is also referred to as trading and profit and loss account, whereas the position statement is very often referred to as balance sheet. So then we have two parts of financial statements. One is income statement, which includes trading and profit and loss account, and the second part is position statement, which includes balance sheet.